Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has admitted to India's precision missile strike on the Noor Khan Air Base in Rawalpindi and other sites. In a statement that has now gone viral on social media, Sharif is heard saying that Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir personally called him at 2:30 a.m. on the intervening night of May 9th and 10th to inform him about the attack.
नौ और 10 की दरमियानी रात में तकरीबन 2:30 बजे सिपह सलार जनरल सईद आसिम मुनीर ने मुझे सिक्योर फ़ोन पे मुझे बताया कि वज़ीर-ए-आज़म साहब, हिंदुस्तान ने अपने बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल्स अभी लॉन्च किए हैं, एक नूर खान एयरपोर्ट पे गिरा है।
The Pakistani Prime Minister made the admission while addressing a Yom-e-Tashkor event at the Pakistan Monument in Islamabad. India's counter-strike had targeted key Pakistani air bases including Noor Khan, Rahim Yar Khan, Bhulari, Jacobabad, Skardo and Sargodha. These bases suffered extensive damage as confirmed by satellite images released by the Indian military. Satellite images released by Maxar Technologies confirmed attacks by the Indian Armed Forces. The damage to Pakistani military facilities have been devastating after cross-border strikes from India. India has urged the IMF to rethink its decision of lending $1 billion to Pakistan. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said that Pakistan will surely use a major proportion of the $1 billion lent by the IMF to fund terror infrastructure. Addressing Indian Air Force personnel on Friday at the Bhuj Air Base in Gujarat, Rajnath Singh said that the Operation Sindoor is not yet over and it was just a trailer.
कि ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है। जो कुछ भी हुआ है वह सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर मात्र था। अब जब समय आएगा, जब भी सही समय आएगा, तो हम पूरी पिक्चर भी दुनिया को दिखाएंगे।
He condemned the IMF aid to Pakistan and called it an indirect funding of terror. He further added that India would ask the IMF to rethink its decision and refrain from providing further assistance to Pakistan.
निश्चित रूप से इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड से आने वाले $1 बिलियन के बड़े हिस्से को टेरर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को फंड करने में इस्तेमाल होगा, ऐसा मेरा मानना है। क्या यह इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड IMF द्वारा, जो कि एक इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उसके द्वारा इनडायरेक्ट फंडिंग इसे नहीं माना जाएगा? भारत यही चाहेगा कि IMF पाकिस्तान को अपनी $1 बिलियन की असिस्टेंस पर वह पुनर्विचार करे और आगे भी किसी भी तरह की सहायता देने से IMF परहेज करे।
Rajnath Singh rather showed confidence in India's defence system and said that India was not dependent on imported weapons and platforms and had integrated indigenous weapon systems in its defence inventory. The sharp rebuke comes just days after the IMF approved a $1.4 billion loan to Pakistan under its climate resilience program and approved the first review of its $7 billion program, freeing about $1 billion in cash. India said it struck terror infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir in retaliation for attacking and killing 26 civilians in Pahalgam on April 22nd.